Stop by and take a look at the 2020 RDX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic sunroof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.